Yes.
My Lord, with due respect, the accused persons are in the dock.
Legal representation.
My Lord, I am Prosecutor Rudolph Johnson for the state.
My Lord, I am Lawyer Edwin Mensah, representing the second accused.
My Lord, with your kind permission, I would like to read out the charges against the second accused person.
Very well. You may go ahead.
Mr. Opunimensa. Ora. A police for ball quad say, Emre be a chum. Obo papa ojan in chair pa, so ku ora feno asante tua hen, a Emre nimfo. Eno achi so a police for hwehwe mu no, obo ba mfie no, obo hu tuo ketua bi ana tukuma bi a feno pistol. Ewo ho a abra na woni ho nkrata eninti na sabre omde obegina adaka mu hayi.
Prosecutor.
My Lord, during our investigation, we found out that the second accused had a personal misunderstanding with the deceased. My Lord, our further investigation tells that he threatened the man before he died.
Ochre say ansa na papa no obewuo no a police for chre say na wo owura yi eye Opunimensa na woni ne ti ado awoma so a che say woni ne nka kra.
My Lord, our investigation shows that we found a pistol in the second accused room, unlicensed.
Pa police search mu say ebra omo ye omo hwehwe mu no omutu anamon ba ofie na omba ofie no so no omo behu tutia bi a tuokuma bi a na woni ho nkrata a kire say woni tumi say ewo wo nche.
My Lord, with the permission of this honorable court, I would like to tender this unlicensed gun that was found in the room of the second accused as an exhibit.
O say etuo no omo hu nyafiri wo nche no omo pese omo didi adanse. My Lord, with due respect, this is the alleged gun the police intend to tender.
Admit it in evidence.
My Lord, exhibit accepted and same identified as exhibit 1.
My Lord, permission to sit.
Very well. Any cross-examination?
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, I wish to cross-examine the first accused.
Let the first accused step into the dock.
Ora, my lawyer so person obi so asem kakra bi nti ubesi wo afiri baabi agina no na wakogira daka wo. O kwai, ane sanka wi ase ebete. Sifra daka na kogira na musa busa asem. My Lord, that case is now in heaven.
Counsel.
Mr. Kojo Apple.
Yes, madam.
Do you know this man?
Or say, Papa Ojina Unimono.
Well, can you tell this honorable court his actual name?
Osi woni mi ni pa ne papa de to no.
But in India, party, of Mensa, aka the Muslim.
Ayi ora. Judge say, aha yenyi concert wa ha. Enti ebusa wa de ebebusa no. Eno na abeyi ano wote.
Mr. Apple, for how many years have you known him?
If you to say no,
No, tell you, I check by you, sir. They say, when you are 27 years,
Mr. Apple, I said, for how many years have you known him? Please be specific about the years.
Osi wo peso ohun fie dodo a wunim no fie pole say na wunim no.
America say we know that. For them, 15 years.
Well, I put it to you that this man standing here does not know anything about this case.
It is my name.
I put it to you.
Oka chiro say papa ye ogina hai asem no onim ho hwe ntwanto so na ade to no so.
Me pato mo no movie pa. When penny our master, our team with man. Na ka menya ma bisi me be ko mo bi ana no ki pa. O chem say san me me say mo.
O say dey
san me ma. E di me nyina me nyansa me ma penny fit me dey. Wa ha me achi wa o ko nsi me. Ana me o cha chem say ma e mo say timia. Say aban du mo say na ka so ma me cha. Papa you were there. Ana ba ma ya tie.
Mr. Apple, I suggest to you that you have framed him up. I said you have framed him up.
Asam na o kana ya no kore.
E pa so enyi to so. Ba bo ko chi ka so. O be en to to be ni to wo yi baba. Wo so ni be ni asa ki to fe. Wo confirm ka san ka.
My lord, the second accused is innocent.
O ka kire judge say asem we no ono no papa ni mu ho hwe.
E pa so wo ni mu bi pa, wo ni pa.
Mr. Kwajo Apple, I'm done with my questions. My lord, I am done. Most grateful.
And you see Sinatra and
Asa me ke se ko ya me je.
e ho na wo ba be gina se na dada ho na ogina. Ora Abraham pra bechana kasi. Ah, wo ge wo na wo ba be dia wo na ka wo pa. Ba. Ora ba ba wo bechana. Ora bechana ka di ni pa so Abraham. Aba mo na ti ko. Wo su jina ha se. Asa na we enya bossing ring. We ye court adaka nti yan kuntokwa wo.
The case is adjourned to the 8th of January next year for hearing.
Say, or the assembly share, I fear besim no, and that tossing watch, Usumi Dika, and that tossing watch, and I best had the maba, Nenim. She say, na police for the Mubeko, Sadano, or the Mubeba.
Yes, I was tired. I'm the same one back. The same of Paris, the biggest cake in that was a
My Lord, according to first accused, his mother is indisposed at their village. So he is praying to this honorable court to allow him to pay her a visit before he come to the prisons.
No, since he doesn't have he should make an official application to the
Or sister say, no, so new lawyer, dear. Now so kind, wate. Na momuno, and na de obeko na wo ba na de agu krata so obehwe mu ahwe so obemo yi emra be ma ho kwan se nipa da prison no ye be ma wa kohwe o maame na wasen abade a ene se na nka wiase ye bete
Right.
Welcome. Welcome to a new group. Yeah, oh, man, Miss White, never do believe you. I am tell the people.
You need to make up your what's a journey to make up your that's what I minister go your me new money and make up your and grab your some and you breathing crap you are why be free
Nyameche Aduane me de si wo kra weni. Mato uniform bibia gu ho. Oja wa betina ha. Onko na odi arewo. Nti nsema maka nyina. Nyameche wo nko school. Misro.
Mami, me dani ho mi timi suade.
Makache ose da ochinechiri ya obebe fie enye bibia na yeda o okwa ya ade keke no aba misro udi areho sa no ma menso merawo menso da wa ha mepe midinya midinso medoba se da kra tise ninti wonku skua ebe ne ya ode me pacho ene nko ade eno akra o teacher frame me nti ku school no ma me wate ye mo dem me ko share uniform na me ko jaw why so ko on about the front grab it, woman, we need one crowd.
My wife, Akasa. Say, Umuna, Skibby obey him, Biano. Omo de so de be. Na mo mo ame. No twitwa nyeme. Na sem no onyame kura nim se menim ho hwe. Ya, menim ho hwe. Biti TV hu me hu se asem se ato nipa. Ene matete e be na sentini mi kuma ku tie bi. Keke. Na se menim se me ka ho a, mam lawyer, sebe. Me kodi do be court.
Ene de me yesho.
Oya.
Eja, de me kan se nyabotre. Na kan wakoma to yem. Yegusua ye pe the necessary evidence no. I the best support enema yenya na ye defend the court. Enti no de maye mo hwehwe. Miminim se enya ade se ona oyeye. Na ewiase no yese obi amane yesan obi. Opanyini de ama asem no eya ye de ne se lawyer na wowu no esimre bi atwam no wo threaten no
ndi me threaten na me nguru ne kike
so mukse wusu mo nguru na no na eya ama asem no omo yenye nyina so bi se wo na okun no esanse ni wo no wo se mre bi atwam wo threaten no ena ni wo so akowu ye ho mframa befa wo na che se ye nyina so bi ewa asemu no ntino de meka na se ye de ye yafem de me de minim se de waka na me wogidie se nya wona okun no na nyame ye wadom ye ufiri ha na efiri hokon no hwo nkasa ye mu ye esanse oni obi hia na wo threaten no west mekun me pra me ye osei na se nipa no nyame amfa efie na bibi kotona na osone ne kasa no nim de ekosi akiri ekoba na saa na won sem bia okan no ene ya abem nti mesro se saa threaten west me yo se ni nyina wo free ha no jai obufu a no nkwan ya befa so a wo be control esanse enipa bebre e wa fiase ha ensem a de mo ba ha no enyi mo na yeye obi wo ho a na no asem ene ko yi no ka ensem bebre wo a wo innocent but esanse ensem bia piflu na no ba ye no na de na be pia nti mesro nyame ya adom na wo pia na watwum afiri sansem ni nyina sanse bufu bitumi ama ensem bebre ya ba beto nti no de meka ne senya abotre na emra no le twitwajo right tinu de ye mo pai ya de kan
prison mani wanko bia uzia ana bofo ne ready
prison crabie mama mi wini wankwa usianko obwafo ne ready osia yesi aboba ya ready onyame kwa na oni obwafo ne ready
prison crabie mani wanko bia uzia ana bofo ne ready prison crabie wanko bia uzia
Onyum tini kopie wa Osentro ni timi kopie wa Nasu na minister kopie wa Mini umye ni ebetimi akopie wa Akrabie musem Enyanu me Prison crabie Emu abra woye bebre
we dey cry oh
Apaunti mini wadi me usano. Enti wankasa asema wachiche dia so amekunu ntiye. Woko di wo bo krono. Na me ko nim ho odi asema beto no so apa we ye. Woni se akwase asem ni wadi.
Wa basa no bi de bedin komo anya botere na ni komo. Nya sa me work out. Am de ko tinya botere.
Officer.
Sawa. Ai busa sawa ba se. When you be contact once about so who be some asem.
I said that also be so. Mimi ko onye within it. Dey also be so asem.
That's what I want to say. Ye fani ha en kwa prinkis ma fie nka me apon medical hoda dada. Ame kan cho ukun we within inside.
Wa me say me woni mu.
O fitikuni ba na.
Mimi ko opuni eye within.
Ah na no ni.
Mimi ko ye ko.
Woni. Abra wo poda.
Me fa body ncho nyame be twia wo.
Ai.
Apa me say nyame be twia wo ka papa.
Ara se me akra na, maka che me na akra wo. Ukun fo maka ncho se.
Me say wo po ani me ko nya ko poda. E po do be ko ni.
Mami tie me.
Me say me ko nya ko. Woni me ko se me.
E dey ka sa mu ngu sa court wo eti ase bi no. On ni betito no wana. Escafo ni kwasi me hu bi afa se me so ukun na de shenzo wo we di ni. Where you come from? Where say you?
Me say
what?
Ati awa ye no.
Me
say dear true no was a mature baby scabiao. Was so good. We know none sign check back. Now see me say BBC. We say me say me tell you to go and medic my sign. Check me and sasso. Sika woman do him. Sika woman in aka 30,000. But I want to sound what the name says can. Bless Simon. Or they make 10,000. I better what he says, Canon. Sister Bridget, do buy a farm while I name my brother.
Quranema.
On spend 20 Ghana. 20,000. Brother, come be 600.
600. Any problem? If you mean farming sanka sika imi esi ebom no kra no ma pesika to hodada also sisi ana me say nyesika eni betimi ayi we free ha no credit eni ni ma woni basam ne ho hwe me ni lawyer no ya ye bia ma tie sika bia Opuni. Me kono. If we bray worry the besin na minni mu yie pa. Sebe nyesa minni wuni. Mira. Asemi esi. No creepy Mohamira. I know that Dakate is so sorry and faint. Tell me why.
Abra. No creepy no chain fita. Makama kuma no creepy wo. Demori. Kabra me Jimmy for. Simadin some when say me kokko. Abanya mu na TV wo hwe.
The ruling of this court, looking at the circumstances of this case and the evidence adduced before the court, There's no denying the fact that the accused persons were the architects of the gruesome murder of lawyer Asante Etuahi.
Judge Boasem ne say, Ohwe nsema momaka a police for enso aka bibia ni ho a edi ho chinye ana bibia da di pefe say sa lawyer Asante Etuahi no wuye no nipa mienu amugina dakai mo na mukum no.
No wonder the prosecution has been able to prove the charges against them.
Say enya no wanwa sa police for etima chirechira asem no mu amana to naso.
I therefore find them guilty on all counts and convict them accordingly.
Esan santi kwadu a ahodo a police for the bomb mumienu amugina daka mu no. Mumienu na wabuo mu ni na afo pepepe.
In sentencing the accused persons, I take into consideration the fact that premeditated murder and contract killings are on the ascendancy in this country, for which reason the same must be checked against.
Judge Sachire mu say ansa na ode masotwe be mamu no eniema bi wo ha ode nani betoto bi ni say nansan o maya ewo mi nipa ta kunkum nipa basa ebi mu nso timi bopa ema omukọ ikun o matamfo efiri ho.
I shall therefore impose a deterrent sentence on the accused persons to serve as a check against future offenders.
Say esan senti no asotwe a ode be mamu nipa mienu amugina daka emu no obetwim amamo se be ya obi ti a ode betu ne bafo na wonso wo court dem ha nso a wode ayesu ehu no.
I therefore sentence the accused persons to death by firing squad, since they took the life of their victim.
Sebua say sansanti no wa hye se nipa mienu ejina daka mu no emfa nkota da ho ne mo otuo every asasi we so sansanti otuo
yeah masacho na me na go na me yaduma na me dojuma
order
Prison crowd.
Most grateful, my Lord.
My Lord, I will exercise the right of appeal in a superior court because I am so much convinced of the innocence of my clients. Most grateful.
Court, right.
Timi kopio Osa troni timi kopio Na minister kopio Mimi umie timi kopio Na krabi sam Enyanime Prison crab Ye mwa bra woye bebre
Now we dey cry oh Who go nobody there, yo.
Sewa, I know my me by ya. As some other way, I have some cassia power. Nanso, Tintim water shedding. Now, come for a year, me dear. Me why with the shame, say. Lawyer, so be peace on a day. A damn can be. Beba. Sir. Tintim, no shedding.
Papa. Asem dear Apia Beswami. A junior woman to minty as said. Damn it, yes. Me cry, Jenny. Papa, obey this. Baby, Biara, minimi kunu yesika shebiara ya prat ya mama meloya. Mesine yentimi nyemwe papa me free. Tisi ade aka nyina Bible. Sir. Papa, me chiti cheme se. Me kuno opuni. Onye widini. Na se wiase nyina mpo. Enyi me kuno nia, me de me jimiti. Ewo mu se yeboa ni kumfo. Nanso nyame o hata wo beche ni tumi. Sisia, nyapi. Mami bisa se hefi. Ona mesa kufasika edi abeyapi. Iti akrasi oni bi banane. Eno punu be hu me mo ba de me ba kru kese. Enti nipa asem to me obechicha jimi na sema be say ni ko wi ti sisi ami ko fesi ga wala mi dey mi kuru. Mami mi ti help me sabe ka program mi bi. Enti me ko fesi ka wa he. Nam dey chicha jimi kuru.
Sawa. Ya mi be ya wati. Yes, usu ana me raho na me sumi isu wa hwe me na ne so awon su hwe de nani aye ti se awon ya to na me be ya wate ide mi wojidie lawyer isu wo be ye bibi so wo be ya api ti en hwe kakrake wo be ya wate
asem de bi edura mi o hey sigebi ede yo fia bia
See, what the baby charge you? Any in
Well, the same. I am said the name I could do. Then I litia. Say, I could ban say, I will say, may I pew. Na Nina Mona is custom. Until now, Miss Mendy Betuma Nimna. Make commons as in a mapisca cra. Na me dia forward the case no. To we dey no auntie na me buy.
Say what?
Mama lawyer. Madam. You see I'm tea how be same. One Ghana city crime in your bima. Sika minimi kunu ya kura dia wokem wo ma dia kanyina madai e kanina diskana hyase no ya tonton ye hunu ma bebre wasembwe mu tisia apiu sika kuya tisia meti he Mini baby cry me kwa metimi enye sibi. Ti wedi nka mesrew. Me hia si ebeyi me kunu.
Nti so betimi ayamatom. Wonya besie bi wo ba bi amame. Nanka. Nyame adoma. Ujidi se mikunu ba ebenya ne moho de. Amlo ya mesro boy why. We de ebjafo minya nka meye ne sa. Na me no me position na me wo musese no. Menya sure se me ko bi wo kwa se me ko pebesen a wo de be mame. Enti no we de sre na mesre mo se ejamo abusuafo na monka motrimo mu na mompe na mfo ne abusuafo bi na mompe bi wo mo ho na case no de mo aye che no na eniema ye basa to we de mesre mo me obi anka me boa na nso no I'm very sorry me kwa meti asisia no me wo clients bi wo meche wo se me kohwe wo mo na me ne wo court nti we de me sorry na mo adwendwene ho nti de besi bia no na mama maso ate me das
Mami lawyer, bye yo.
Bye.
What's this say about me?
Mommy.
So what?
She see if you hayeti. Electricity bills are crying, yes, Canada.
Hey.
Say, a bus is a pay. Near the pew near to me, Yimikuma. Mammy, you're too fee.
Hey! So,
you're too
if you wait,
where the CK will be my lawyer.
Hey! No one got my head.
The big baby come because Yami had done na me come ye ba. Him said a juma a phone idea bebo boa my near my son. Mammy, I'm quite here. Sikania when you're near danger. The true. Timmy, Miss Ocean and furniture. So we be so near Sikan and come my lawyer. Why? See, I mean, baby, you be a intimate film. And told Danny Munia Mena. In fact, Jimmy Kuna.
Na hasi sway.
Nyamiche.
Ma.
If you necro, the honey bit. Why wouldn't him or papa Samaba? I was a selfie me jemu. It is a see I told Fina new woman. Omo disikanaba, a bina with the average hay. A debin so yell papa and wordjuma, send your bay or baba kayansa. Baba kayan way beside ye chuma. In your baby for near free and near. And me papa be free. And find him
nobody there, yo. God they help,
Breathing, grab it, woman, we need. One, Obwafo ni radi. Osia yesi. Aboba ya ridi.
You fever keke.
Onyame kwa na oni.
Here radi.
Obwafo ni radi.
What do you hear in my heart? Ma. Who you? My bonnet so you are baby. Who knew? Why is she power? The chin time when you ask and come in, you'll be saying, be a pepper, be a man. In this kind of soup. Must see a any day. I can't hold on it. You're ready. My own way. Shut your mama. Up there, do the abana. That's the iron. Why? Tia, maybe we're Tia, Mamba. Mine, I can't why. Grandma paid drop away. But why? You're ready. I'm a child. And then I hope so. Huh? Adai. Nyamiche. Adai. Nyamiche. Nyamiche. Ma! Mami! Mami, be hanu one kane ho. One kane ho. Sase, one kane ho. Sase. One kane ho. Yana mami. Nyamiche. Nyamiche. Yana mami. Yami be mami. Hey! Ma kane mami. Ade. Dawa. Why? Dawa. Nyamiche adiemu. Adiemu. I'm ready! Hi! I'm ready! I'm ready! I'm just 7 years Papa yesterday. Yeah, Daddy, I'm saying. Mommy, Manu! Hi! Mommy, Manu! Yay! I'm ready! I'm ready! 7 years. I'm ready, Jimmy. I'm ready, Mama. Yeah! 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 Open it! I'm ready! Yeah! Me Papa, yes, to me, I'm not so good. I'm only best to be yeah, put him in the water. Yeah. I'm ready to have him in the name. Why? Hey! Hey! Sawa! Sawa! About Didi kind of me pouch. Say, Nano, me ba say, me nyabotre. Anyone kasa. And so be the madam say, oh, baby, I didn't kuna to a fiasse. Say, you cocoon, dear. Son or baby, I will be full. Nemo be seen. Pedatrian one, and Timmy was. I'm saying, baby, be say, beer. Me who he been tea. Na maudi asimbisa atumi kunusu. Anasa ya semno krena woka. Asemu ya habi bebre. Minyinse ya say ewa asemu yo. Marimi baba akupe. Apa usisi ya mene woka say efia mitimi ya tume. Tia mitikro kasi mo nyina na me dai me kunu opuni. about me the nyamiti pauchow. No crabby was simply catching me. Say no crescent me kuno. Or you would deny a crow for mammy. Say chatus so no crabby won't be a mammy. Look at show me in your mirror to show this. A dear no grandpa was in me. I knew she cried, me no need free crowbaco. Me could have my worries 7 names on your crow for you, Virginia. Upon some fool, puff, chairman and a crabby was saying, walk at me. Did you have this?
Lawyer, I'll say me catch you. You see Casey J. When you look at the structure of the case, 1, what threatening lawyer is will be kudo. Lawyer no. Baby, I mean to see cry and say, guy no come lawyer no, unimono. On the day of judgment. Upepe dim pa ewo koto. Kon say urema guy make say, excuse me, my lord. My boss Abba, that guy named Ejimi. Asem not on so. Now, as lawyer, how are you going to defend this case? Tell me.
Anyway, me no. Asem beginning ni nyina many oba ni share me tie ni side of the story me di ka ko tie be ma no die na me ma oba ni hunu say case no complicated enye easy kra say simple case be because murder. So what I say, but me no as a lawyer me to me nka say case way this is how I see it, you know. Me Jayana say me to me handle. What I say? But now say me try my level best. At least say me to me I save you. Me ye me to me be but now me pray say imponu nka ubenya some years be cry in prison say be or they even at all when you're life in prison crana. And God things say no cry no need so wo kakra. Anyway, me to me challenge judge no the judgments but the court to see and say say obano be man fie waton me ba wa yare sana no frame me koya kra na wu ena case na pending nyina obano no wonyem woni early stage of pregnancy any ma hardships I will go through ni nyina no onya miscarriage until you can imagine say any ma obano go through me na I am home but there's nothing I can do as a now. You say no. Me try sell, me crop maybe a be man so. Na kama command updates the koso. But me who can me first work because the whole thing no I am home. In fact. But then am I this year no. Be say me who me South case no. Because he can't hear me be further case no. Bibia e basa. Nye say bia me hu say case na say me hu ye but then na me try say me to charge him. So that's how it is.
Nti asem we na wo kala. Ehe omobo.
Oh yeah.
Contract killers we. Na asem say ya tona. Hwe say ugina ha eye wo mobo. Wa say wo hu pictures the way omo meda lawyer no. How painful it is. See, this country, a lot of criminals. Kumipa ejoma japadiye. Kosi ye fight so hard. Na sankufu we ninano ye jeli omuni ikoma. What you say?
Anyway, me find time na mako papa no na mako kandi esi ache na. You say no ma handi over bibia na me hodi me because me were more case I was me to me concentrating na me to me I defend it. We need your Sally who dear pussy.
28 case in a back court, you know. Catch a gun is all my witness number. Okay. Because Ghana are bad. I'm telling you.
No interest, woman.
Oh, no, many interest, woman. No, bad. Don't witness.
Pretty crabby,
we buy a book on Nima Kakras in Field and Namse, a semi buyer, Conia Baniade. Nina na to Sikasem. Until no, we know you know. Ma kwa ma yeton fie no na say ye be toto ne ma na baba no soso ya rie jinjina no so saa wono soso e de no ko hospital o ye nyame dia
the baba no yo motiza ne baba ni
mislo we ni na ya tete nanso obana so no enam de ekoso ni nyina no ntino se na wa fire funu ama ono so onye miscarriage as say in condition enye ntino enye na ha adwene ba abani say na wo say yebo amani say de be ya bebundi enko fi mislo so oh yes,
Jack, I don't know why you sir.
My diva, some behame. For Punihu. Must steady man, the new more Yenovia. How is hidden criminals? You be a deal mobile, almost subino, and the money there no. Money there down so. Jiddy said, as a me only motion.
You can a jedi. Yeah. I don't need near bar apple.
Opuni bar apple.
I always ram. Nancomodi diemona, I'm sure said the nest for Tonson. Not Mitimose, a seminal. Opuni him horsey. I'm a touching party to be answer me until I'm out and then my dean. Because said a loopuni is fed tin so any adeno. For when Timmy and Cash in a day. I said, no, opening him home.
Ah, well, as I had you need to maybe by some day, Hampa.
So, when you know, you will be as soon in a bind. Timmy who thinks as a born manner in Chantos also. A job at Africa.
No, I'll come. You need to meet the Jabber, it was.
I can't even buy my Quananka. Yanaka, you do on Hujuma. The baby one man can most of his party to give it down. Okay. So, I'm running. Do your
I was there. I'm a boy for the ready.
Breathing crabby. Woman, one bar was the uncle. Or what for near ready.
Okuni Mensa, Kofi Jonas. Okuni Mensa, Kofi Jonas. Bartimius Kojo Apple. Bartimius Kojo Apple.
Officer Medina and Bartimius Patichos. Patichos for that for it's not many so. My officer Medina was a mean few. Patichos.
When I say Patichos, it's a Bartimius. What's the
Now, Fares, ready. Now, target in front.
Odumfo Nyankopon na wudi tumi. Ya do mbai ewura wade shimoje. Ya so se boni bonyam nya kese won so. Ji wonum efo kan mapa ne ho. Ji won kra efasi yeye. Ya bompa ye wo Nyankopon agya no ba no. This son konkro tebu. Amen. Abusiafo ye duro no. Ebre na ye bre. Na so awade aka no na semu. Ewa disem. Etiremi ensayi mu donkono. Awurade asem se de odono no ena oyina ten na o kare nimu na wo hye de se won sakse na dwene free ne bone nyina mu wo se yanka yem bofo no wo yem brati brebu asa na brebone no aba ebre wei aya mo brebone samba pema ka mo bone a wo yo tini ni nupa fo se wo de mo bone betemu wo agye mo free de ntire nyina sa wo asem bi ka wo betimi aka onyame aya krado so de mo bone betemu sofo Sofu bo bibika masem nyina ne se me Nyankopon ni se asem wei ni mo fe me nsa hu ye fita me nka moja edibimbi anwuye nanso hwede na babia me gina de me se hu se ene Nyankopon kasa hu mbobo no nyeme antunu kukum if asem wei ni mo hwe opaje wasem ka so when you do Mecca, so for my money, so for some car, the Mua, ever have you so for as a Benina, so for Babeni, so for Salocrat, the idea who mobile the Bunyabe, now Samuel may buy a woo, my baby. Ya told me fear, me babu, me nimba be a made what they say. Officer, the macho. No penna daddy. Take me the way to my head. Sir, yes, sir. So what do you now? Oh, now so for the dear master, me now by the sir.
Easy, grumpy, easy, one copy, I will see him. That's a laugh for the ready.
Eh, just sit away. On you to need to me copy. What's a journey to me copy? That's when I minister copy. Me knew me and you bet me a copy. Hey, I grab your musam, and you anime, breathing crab, ye, moi, I want to be
I will cry, who go home? Nobody there, yo.